recording? Oh, good.
There's a lot of fallen debris down here.
Yeah. Hickory trees are large, sturdy hardwoods that provide significant non-food value. Their nuts are a vital food source for various animals and birds, including squirrels, deer, woodpeckers, and birds. The distinct canopy offers excellent shelter and nesting sites for numerous bird species. Bark and wood is a habitat.
Look at that bird. What kind? What is that?
It looks like a stork.
What kind of bird is that? That bird is so big.
Maybe we should hide.
I don't know what that bird.
Oh, I'll beat that bird.
Can you see that spider? Can't zoom in on it. You can't see it. Oh, look at that big, gigantic spider.